What's going on, crypto fam? This is a market recap for February 13th. Oh, sorry, gotta get to crypto. Let's see what's going on. So we broke the Bitcoin dominance, which is a good thing for the alts. Not much follow through, but we've got enough room to make a lower high, which is the important thing. And we are looking for a weekly higher low at this point. So we have a lot of work to do to be a crypto alt, but this is the first sign. Remember what I'm saying? This is the first sign of a altcoin season, of a possibility. There's so many things that need to happen still. We still have to make a higher low, or ideally a lower low would make us think even better, but we could still see a higher low, lower high. We could trade here for a long time. There's a lot of space here to be playing, or range here to be playing inside, and a lot of time for the Bitcoin bulls to jump in here. So it's a step, but yeah, lots more to come. So Bitcoin itself, oh, got so many lines. Guess we can get rid of some of these. We're tightening up. Volume's dried off. We are expecting a big move. Something big's gonna happen here soon. We've got this broadening wedge. I've been saying this for a long time. We got an inverse head and shoulders at the moment. We're looking at our right shoulder right now. We're looking for a lower high though, because we pulled back too far on this shoulder. So we could just tighten here and then, but I have a feeling we're gonna make an attempt at this upper range here. It's just we're looking okay, but I mean, that's just a feeling. Nothing's guaranteed in crypto and everything. With the momentum of the way the market's moving, I just have a feeling it will pull crypto as well with it. Ethereum. So we're now looking at kind of a. Oh, we're still bouncing on the daily. So yeah, we're just looking for a daily lower high at this time. Falling out of this falling wedge, and then set a higher high. We broke this high, and now we found a higher low. Now we need to keep this momentum going. Looking for a daily lower high though, then here. 285746. XRP bouncing on its daily too. We still have, now we're just looking at these this double top here. That's the most important level now. So we're right at the 50 moving average. This could be giving us trouble right here. So when this move tops out, we should expect a higher low at this point. Litecoin, still looking at this like a possible inverse head and shoulders. This could just be putting in a quick right shoulder, but we'll see. We have to break these levels. We're still looking for a daily lower high than this point. But if we do break it, we do have more levels here to be looking at. Looking good, but yeah, wanna see continuation on Litecoin. It is looking good though. Looks like just it put in that monthly higher low, and we could see an extended move now. Could get something like this happening. That will bring us to we are just looking for a monthly lower high than this, and that will be important down the road here. But I have a feeling this is the level we're gonna be heading to. 295.47. So watch out for that on Litecoin. Hype. We're monthly inside bars. I didn't notice that before. Nice. We are looking good. This cup and handle. Want to see this. Make an attempt at the high. If we fail the high, we set a higher low. Then we break out. We don't want to lose the 0.382 ideally, but 0.5 for sure. Hype. I've been talking about this name for a while. Gotta watch it. BNB might have set its weekly lower high. What did it do today? Oh, bit of a top on this. So it broke this resistance with no follow through. Did it break it? 1 sec, sorry. Yes, it did. No follow through, hammer candle down, getting support on the 50 though. So this could be turning into a giant head and shoulder or inverse head and shoulders on the weekly. So watch out that this could play out. Ideally we don't lose the 0.382 on this move though. We're just at it right now. We want to hold right here, especially the 0.5, which is also coming up to the weekly 12 moving average. But sorry, that was daily. The daily 12 moving average. Solana, inside bar on the day. We're still inside in this equilibrium, but we haven't set this daily high or low yet. We could still just fall through. Ondo, in this tightening range, double inside bar. Jeez, yeah. We're at the low, so that's not a good sign. We don't want to lose this level. Link. Still looking at this like an inverse head and shoulders, but we still haven't broken. We're in equilibrium here on the 4 hour. So watch out for the break of this, because that could guide us. Sui. Kind of looking like almost like an Adam and Eve pattern, but this didn't catch or come down that far. But yeah, so this is kind of a cup and handle, I would say. I want to see a move to this level, see how we react there. But yeah, I'm kind of thinking this could be kind of a little bit of a cup and handle. Inside bar, we'll see where the direction goes on this inside bar. We would be looking for a daily lower high than 3094 right here, and see if we tighten up there if we do break down. Mochi, inside bar on the day, still hanging out at the top. As I was saying, we should take profits around the top. I'm still looking at this as a potential inverse head and shoulders. The most likely scenario was to see a lower high, which we got to in 1 day. Happened too much too fast. So we'll see. It looks like there's an equilibrium playing out here. So watch that for short-term direction. And if we do break bear, I would be viewing this like an inverse head and shoulders. We don't want to lose the 0.5 on this ideally. Not that it would totally derail the inverse head and shoulders. It would just decrease the it would increase the likelihood that we just chop around. Alpha, still in this rising wedge. Overshot a little bit down, just adjusting. Yep, just adjusting. I still don't like alpha. So we're bear flagging right now. Actually, it might have been enough to, we might hit the 0.5. Not ideal. Very choppy too. Not a lot of data on the charts. 4 hours seems to be better. Okay, yeah, watch this rising wedge. Caspa, got a cup and handle forming here. We don't want to lose the let's see this. Oh, this is more of an equilibrium actually. Yep. Ideally, we don't pull back that far, and then that allows us to shoot up easier. But I would expect us to be choppy a little bit longer. But Caspa has a big tightening range coming to a head here in the next little while. AVAX, rising wedge, not looking good. Ton, still tightening in this range. Lost it slightly, ever so slightly, but back in. Still looking at this as a squeeze potential. Now we're just looking for a 4-hour lower high than this. Equilibrium right here. Trump, seeing a bit of a move. Now we've got an inverse head and shoulders on, what will we call this? Kind of the daily or 4-hour inverse head and shoulders. So we got the head. Now we got the solid right. It needs to shape up this right shoulder sooner than later. Let's see. We're already heading to the golden pocket, so most likely scenario is we chop around now. We chop around when this sets a lower or higher low, and we chop around. Okay, thank you very much, and I'll see you in the pre-market. I'm also going to be doing live trading for stocks tomorrow, so if you want to join me for that, I will see you there.